Let's see how to unlock your iPad if you forgot your password. In the first step, open Settings. Next, go to Face ID and Passcode. Then press on Change Passcode. In the next step, open Settings. Now click on Apple ID. After that, pick iCloud. In the next step, use a computer to visit iCloud website. After that, log in using Apple ID. Now click on Find iPhone. In the next step, press on All devices. Then select your iPad. Next, click on Erase iPad. In the next step, let the process finish. After that, configure your iPad as fresh. Now retrieve data from iCloud backup if present. You are good to go.